Hello everyone, let's now move further with another activity. Here I'm taking this yellow sheet of the paper and with the help of the compass I'm just making a circle out of it. You can even draw the circle with the help of some circular object. If you don't have any compass, then cut the cutting and make some of the rest of the features of the sun like the eyes, lips and the other smiley area. Then this tassel type of the sheet is to be taken and you are going to hang it at the lower portion. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10 years. You may require a glue stick for this one, but it's going to turn into something funky and cool. Let's move further with another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create some of the paper flowers. For this I am taking this blood red sheet of the paper and with the help of the scissors I am going to trim it and create some of the petals according to the shape that's shown on your screen. Just place the petal one after the another in somewhat that shape so that you will get the 6 petals in the proper oriented shape. Then you just have to take the another sheet of the paper and you just have to create tassels and place it at the center. Stalk is very necessary. Don't forget to add the stalk at the center and leaves are to be added using the green sheet of the paper. Let's move further with another activity. Here I'm taking the another sheet of the paper. I'm just folding it. This is a baby pink color sheet of the paper and it's square in shape. I'm just folding it first in somewhat triangular shapes. Then all these triangles are opened again and they are converted into somewhat rectangular shape as apparent on your screens. Just take the paper upside down and fold it and twist it and turn it. You just have to create some of the creases out of it. These type of the activities need your attention and the focus. You can't skip any particular step. You just have to follow the each step in a sequential manner. Add the other features. Let's move further. Here I'm taking the sheet of the paper and you can see how I'm just folding it. We are going to show you how we can create this flower inspired butterfly cum flower look. For this I'm taking the sheet of the paper, then I'm folding it and making some of the creases out of it. If I will talk about the difficulty level of this type of the activity, then this one is a little bit difficult because you can't step any particular step. You just have to see and watch properly each and every step. Just pause the video. If you will get confused at any particular step, you can just pause it and again you can watch it so that you can try to make it perfectly. This type of the activity is a little bit time consuming and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 12 years. Just give it a try. This all activity is based on the twist turns and some of the creases, so you have to create the creases properly. Thank you for watching.